ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي آمين. Okay, I will change the attendance first. Ashifa Khalid, Masra, Fatima, Nadia, present miss. Ifa, present miss. Naya, present miss. Davina, present miss. Why? Sakit miss. Okay. Okay, are you ready for my class today? Yes. Okay, what do you remember from the last English lesson?
Descriptive text miss.
What is it?
Deskripsikan orang miss.
Masa, what is it?
Mendeskripsikan tempat miss.
For example,
This place is great.
Fatima, give me example.
This person is tall.
Oh. And now we'll learn about autotally acquisition tag. Do you know what autotally acquisition is?
No.
Okay, before we read a autotally tag, let's watch this video and discuss it with your teacher. Again.
Lagi miss.
Okay. Pay attention, please.
Yes miss.
Okay. After watching the video, do you like reading books?
Yes.
Masha, what do you like?
Novel miss.
And Fatima,
Same like Marsha miss.
novel about?
About adventure miss.
And Ashifa,
Comic miss.
comic. Naya,
Novel miss.
a romance or adventure or what?
I think it seems.
And Rifka,
Yes miss.
what do you like reading books?
Yes miss.
What?
I like reading novel miss.
About?
Fiction.
Oh, fiction. Nadia, me and Miss. Do you like reading books?
Yes. I like a novel miss.
About?
Horror.
Wow. Okay. Okay, before we read more books? I wanna ask you first. Maksa,
Yes, miss.
what is the meaning instead of?
To see one thing and not the other.
For example,
Many kids today spend too much time on their phones instead of reading.
yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay. And Fatima, for the example of instead of.
Okay, the example is many teens today spend too much time on their phone instead of reading.
Another example.
Another example is instead of watching TV, but study for the test.
Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
How about unlike? A proposition that means different from or not similar to. For example, Siva,
Unlike subject on phone books tell us the whole story.
do you understand?
Yes.
And nine engines. Fatima, what is the meaning?
Engine is a machine that makes things work, like a car, airplane, or even a toy.
For example,
For example, we can get quick answers from a search engine.
okay. And quick, Nadia. Do you know what is the meaning of quick?
Quick is an adjective that means fast or happening in a short time.
For example,
We can get quick answers from search engine.
and nine is all. And Rifa, do you know what is the meaning of wholes?
Whole is an adjective that means full or complete.
For example,
Unlike searching on phones, books tell us the whole story.
okay, thank you. Do you understand students?
Yes,
Yes. Next, we will read a totally a position type about why students should read more books. Imagine that you are a student who likes reading and getting achievements. As you read the text, try to think about why reading is important. Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I will read out the first sentence and you will continue the next sentence.
Okay, miss.
Why students should read more books? As a student who love books, I am worried that many teens today spend too much time on their phones instead of reading. Fatima, do you know what is the meaning of worry?
Worry, enggak, miss.
It is the past tense. The simple. The first one is worry.
Oh, okay, miss.
And how about instead of?
Instead of
Masa?
Yes.
Okay. And Siva, please continue the next sentence.
When we can get quick answer from a search engine, I believe reading books will help us in the future.
Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of why?
kemudian selagi sementara.
Yes. Nadia, correct. How about search engines?
Mesin miss.
Mesin pencari, miss.
Google, miss.
Yes. Believe?
Percaya.
Quick apa, miss?
Fast. The synonym quick or fast.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, miss.
And Fatima, please continue the next.
First, reading books helps me focus better when studying. When I read often, I can pay attention more in class and finish my homework better. This is something we can't get from looking at social media all day.
Okay, thank you, Fatima. Do you know what is the meaning of belajar?
Lebih baik belajar.
Okay, and do you understand the second part of?
Yes, Miss.
Marsha, please continue the next paragraph.
Second, reading helps me learn new words easily. The words I find in books help me write better, essays, and speak better in front of the class. Believe me, knowing more words will help you do better in school.
And Marsha, do you know what is the meaning of easily?
Apa ya, Miss? Nggak tahu, Miss.
Mudah, Miss.
Yes, betul. And do you understand the second paragraph?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Nadia, please continue the next paragraph.
Third, books help us imagine things better. Reading lets me see new places and understand different people's lives better than watching TikTok or YouTube. This helps me think of good ideas for my schoolwork.
Okay. Do you understand this paragraph?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Talk about
Schoolwork.
books
Help
have
us imagine things better.
and Rifa, please continue the next.
Plus, book help me understand my lesson better. Unlike searching on phones, books tell us the whole story. When I read books about subjects like history or science, I understand them better than just reading short notes online.
Okay, Rifa, do you know what is the meaning of unlike?
No, Miss.
Unlike is Fatima, do you know what is the meaning of unlike?
Unlike
Tidak
tidak seperti Miss.
And whole,
Whole semua, Miss. Seluruh.
dan
Daripada.
okay. Do you understand the paragraph?
Yes, Miss.
And the last paragraph, Ashifa, please continue.
So I want all students to start reading more books. Don't let spoil stop us from enjoying reading. If we read just one book for every month, I'm sure our grade will be better.
Okay, Sifa, do you know what is the meaning of sure?
Jadi, Miss.
What?
Jadi,
Pasti, Miss.
Masa?
yakin.
Yeah. So, do you understand the recommendation? This
Yes. Yes, Miss.
what? Talk about?
Menyarankan.
Start reading more books supaya mulai bagus.
Okay. And the conclusion of the tag why students should read more books. Masra, please. What the conclusions?
Authority next.
The conclusion of the tag why reading.
We need to reading more books so our grade can get better.
Fatima, what is the conclusion?
The conclusion is we should start reading more books because it has so many benefits. We can learn new words and also it helps
you, Fatima. Give a applause. And next is generic structure of auditory acquisition text. There are theses, arguments, and recommendations. In the thesis, the writer explains the topic of problems and solve the writer opinions. For example, the thesis is, as a student who loves books, I'm worried that many teen students spend too much time on their phones instead of reading. This is the thesis of this text and arguments. Shifa, what is arguments?
Provide the reasons to support the opinion, including facts or examples.
For example, in this text,
First, reading book help me focus better when studying. Second, reading helps me learn new words easily. Third, books help us imagine things better. Last, books help me understand my lesson better.
okay, thank you, Shiva. So in this text, the writer have four arguments to support the thesis. And next, recommendations. Fatima,
This is
what is?
the recommendation.
Give.
It gives suggestions or advices about what should or should not be done.
For example,
For example, I want all students to start reading more books. Don't let phones stop us from enjoying reading.
okay, student, what do you think the writer write these recommendations?
Kenapa, Miss?
What do you think? Why the writer write these recommendations? To support students to reading more books. Yes. Okay, next we continue. First I wanna ask you about general structure. Do you understand? There are thesis, argument, and recommendation. Okay, thank you. And next is we talk about language feature. There are certain language features of auditory acquisition text. The first one is abstract noun, action verb, thinking verb, temporal connective, evaluative words, simple present, and passive voice. And the first one is abstract noun. Davina,
Yes.
what is example of abstract nouns?
Future, attention, homeworthiness,
Okay, features.
attention, homework,
And the second language feature, action verb. For example, help, read, learn. Help, read, learn. In the eclipse,
believe,
believe,
knowing,
and then
imagine, understand.
and the fourth, the power connective. First, second,
third, and last.
and simple present. In the first one, bad, yes, and then yes, speak, yes, and then and then passive voice.
This is something we can get.
I'm worried.
The example of this is something we can get from looking at social media all day. Any questions?
No, miss.
Okay, before we watch the exercise, let's look the vocabulary item first.
Yes.
And Shiva,
Yes.
do you know what is the meaning of
Often, an effort that means many times.
for example?
We often go there. Students often have long and busy day.
And Fatima, achievements, give me meaning.
Example of achievement is winning the English speech contest was a big achievement for Tina.
Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
And the next is prepare. What is it?
A word that is used to make something or somebody ready to be used or to do something.
For example,
Going to school is very important for every child. It helps us learn new things, grow as people, and prepare for a better future.
do you understand?
Yes.
And the last, does.
Thus,
What is it?
As a result of something just mentioned. The example is he studied hard every day.
Thus.
He passed the exam with a high score.
And the synonym are therefore, hence. Any questions?
No.
Okay.
kami understand meaning.
Wah, apa itu, Miss?
Oh. Okay, students. You will continue to work on task 1 and task 2 as a group. Group 1 is Davina,
Yes.
Naya, Rifa, and
Nadia aja, Miss. Nadia aja.
and Nadia. Group 1. And group 2 is Ashifa, Fatima, and Masa.
Okay.
Okay. Pay attention.
Okay, Miss.
In the task 1,
Lihat, Miss.
in the task 1,
Sama apa tuh, Miss?
this is the task 1.
Miss.
I will give you the first tag and the second tag of tautology and positions. Then find the differences and the similarities from the tag by drawing the general structure and language feature.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Wah, banyak.
Okay. In the task 2, you will write recommendation
Yes. Okay, Miss.
based on the arguments
Yes.
and the thesis statements.
Miss.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Make a circle, group 1 and 2.
Yes.
Maksudnya ini.
This is for you.
Thank you, Miss.
And this is the first step.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
I give you 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Siapa ini yang bagus tulisannya?
Itu yang tengah-tengah bagus.
Iya, iya.
Ada. Miss, can I borrow pena? Itu, Miss.
Itu nih.
This is not
Davina?
pena.
Yes.
Wait, banyak pulpen.
Pasti mahalnya
First, you read the first tag and the second tag.
Ini teks kita.
Ya.
Berapa kali, Miss? Berapa tadi?
20 menit.
20 minutes.
Cepat kali, Mir.
Miss, dia nonton, Miss. Miss,
Suara dia.
Suaranya, Miss.
Dia bisa pulang dari Eropa liburan.
Siapa yang
make the general structure. For example, in the tag 1.
Nah, itu nggak sih kena ditahan nggak sih kalau
Ini ngapain, Miss?
Ini language feature.
Oke, Miss. Lebih murah lagi di SDP. Happy break nggak? Happy. Kakak Batam.
Tapi dari Cina.
Buat kamu free.
Oh, thank you.
Tadi kamu Mas.
Davina.
Ada kunci. Kunci ketek. Kunci jam.
Tina,
Yes.
walk in the
Yes.
have your friends.
Yes.
This is your
No, I'm not.
Ya, Miss, ya, jangan berjalan, Miss. Go.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, aja, Miss. Gimana dia, Miss? Ini nyanyi aja.
In the leg.
Head.
Believe, knowing, imagine, understand.
Have breathing learn. Have breathing learn. Sampai eksperimen.
Miss,
Yes.
thinking first apa, Miss?
Thinking first. You think like is first that you have to think.
Di teks 2 nggak ada, Miss. Mana, Miss?
It feel, yes. Feel.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Feature, attention, homeworks. The example is our feature, attention, homework. No, that's
but your recommendation have to difference with the goal too.
Miss, could I ask something?
Yes,
What is abstract?
it is like non, but it is abstract, not. It is abstract.
So I call something like that.
Yes. Yes.
Miss.
Okay. Any question?
No.
And those.
Ini loh, let's go. Okay, you still have 4 minutes to finish homework. How about the task 2 in write the nomination? you finish?
Kita lagi nih.
After that, you will present your answer in front of class.
Yes, sama aku dulu.
So, one. This
Group 1.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Please present your answer in front of class.
Oke, Miss. Sama kami kamu.
Iya bentar lah.
The task one. For the thesis, as student, we often choose quick and easy foods like chips, instant noodle, or fast food. However, what we eat greatly impacts both our body and mind. Eating a balanced diet is one of the best ways to improve your health and perform better in school. It's important to make better food choices for your overall well-being.
This is the thesis.
Yes.
Yes, miss. Okay. And the task type 2.
Ini teks ini teks pasti Miss.
Type 2. Oh yes.
And argument.
Type 1.
First, reading books help me focus better when studying. Second, reading helps me learn new words easily. Third, books help us imagine things better. And last, books help me understand my lesson better. Text 2.
Next to argumentnya, Miss.
Yes.
Firstly, a balanced diet provides your body with the energy it needs to stay active. Junk food and skipping meals. And then, secondly, the food you eat affects your brain's ability to think and concentrate. And then, finally, a healthy diet helps you feel good overall.
And recommendations.
Next one is so I want all students to start reading more books. Don't let phones stop us from enjoying reading. If we read just one book every month, I'm sure our grades will get better.
And type 2.
Making healthier food choices is a step toward better health and improved focus. Start adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your meals and reduce your intake of junk food. By doing this, you can feel more energized and achieve your best in school and daily life. Let's commit to eating better for a healthier future.
Okay. And language feature. What the differences and the similarities on the type 1 and the type 2? What the similarities and differences?
For action verb, abstract noun. Text one is features, attention, and homework. And for text 2 is mind. And for action verb, text 1 is help, read, and learn. And for text 2 is provide and helps. And thinking verbs like believe, knowing, imagine, and understand. For text 2 is feel and temporal connective, first, second, third, last. And text 2 is sentence.
Sam?
Yes.
Miss.
So the recommendation is yes, yang kita buat sendiri.
So recommendation, I think students should read more books instead of spending too much time on social media because reading improves focus, builds vocabulary strength, imagination, and helps us understand school object better. Sudah nih.
Okay, give applause for the group 1. Group 2, please present your answer in front of class.
Gak boleh duduk, gak boleh duduk.
Gak boleh, gak boleh.
Thank you.
Jangan Kak, di situ.
Jadi jangan.
Thank you, Miss.
Iya.
Salah.
argument from text 1 is reading books helps me focus better when studying. And the second argument, reading helps me learn new words easily. And then the last one is books help us imagine things better. And the argument from text 2 is a balanced diet provides with the energy it needs to stay alive. And the second argument is the food you eat affects your brain ability to learn and concentrate. And the last argument is a healthy diet helps you feel good.
Recommendation.
In Taiwan.
Last one, read more books. The second one, eat healthy food.
Okay, and negative feature. What is differences and similarities?
The text one, abstract noun is future, attention, and homework. And the second one,
And the tattoo.
text two is important in energy, focus, and feel. Action verb, help, eat, learn. Text two, eating, doing, adding. Thinking verbnya, believe, knowing, imagine, understand. To feel juga yang di tempat dua. Temporal connectivenya, teks satunya tuh first, second, third, last. Yang teks dua, first, second, third, finally.
Okay, and your recommendation?
So I want our students to start reading more books. Don't let phone stop us from enjoying reading. If we read just one book every month, I'm sure our grades will get better.
Okay, give a applause. Okay, next I will give you individual assignments. Okay, you will write your thesis statements based on these arguments and these recommendations. That means I give you each minute to finish your individual assignment. You're welcome. And Fatima, Maksa, and
Nadia, yes, Nadia.
And Nadia, please present your thesis in front of the class.
Saya juara terakhir nih Panika sama Iya ada nih.
Okay, so my thesis statement is I'm worried that many teens today spend too much time on their phones instead of reading, and it's because I am a student who loves to read. And I believe reading books will help us in the future, even though we can get quick answers from search engines.
Okay, very good. And Nadia.
Okay. As a student who loves books, I read that many teens today spend too much time on their phones instead of reading, but we can get quick answer from a search engine. I believe reading books will help us in the future, especially study.
Okay, give a applause for Nadia. And Maksa.
Thesis statement: students should read more books instead of spending too much time on social media because reading improves vocabulary, strengthen imagination, and help us understand school subject better.
Okay, give a applause. Thank you. Now we are at the end of the class. Can anyone say what monotonic text is?
Is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain to the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done.
And Masha, what is the usual function of monotonic appositions?
To persuade the reader or listener that something should or should not be done means.
Alright. And in monotonic apposition, a recommendation is used to give advice or suggestions.